Did you know that you can get a replacement Ford window sticker for free? Have you misplaced or lost the original Monroney label for your vehicle? Perhaps you're interested in buying a used vehicle and want to view the options it originally came with? Maybe you'd be interested to know its original MSRP? Used car dealerships might also find it helpful to provide a replacement for their customers, allowing potential buyers to make an informed decision before proceeding to purchase. Fortunately, Ford Motor Company has made it possible for anyone to look up, reproduce, download, and print a replacement Ford window sticker using just the vehicle identification number. In the post link to this video, you'll find a simple search query that you can use to retrieve a factory Monroney label directly from Ford. It should work for all current models and those manufactured within the past decade or more. Before using the VIN decoder, you will need to locate your vehicle identification number. A Ford VIN number can be found on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. It is also stamped into a plate riveted to the dashboard, visible through an opening in the lower part of the windshield. Your VIN number is also located on the vehicle title, registration, and insurance cards. If you are researching a vehicle before purchase, you'll find that most reputable car dealerships provide the specific vehicle identification number within each of their listings. Once you have your VIN, you can proceed to use the VIN decoder. Simply copy and paste your VIN number into the search box, then press the Get Ford Window Sticker button. You will be directed to a page where you can view an exact replacement of the original sticker, decoded from the VIN that was entered. On that page, you'll have the flexibility to either print or download the factory replacement, which is made available as a PDF file. Here is an example downloadable or printable 2024 Ford Ranger window sticker that was retrieved using this search. If you found this decoder tool helpful, please feel free to share this page with others.